If you've been shopping on Temu, you've probably seen people online talking about these massive coupon codes, like $200 off Temu orders. So what's real and what's not? In this video, I'm giving you the latest working Temu promo code for 2025 and showing exactly how to use it to get instant discounts and bonus credits on your orders. And to save you time, the code is right here on screen, and it's also down below in the description and pinned comment. I've even added a few bonus promo codes that still work this month, so don't miss those either. Here's what's going on. Temu regularly drops coupon bundles that can give you huge discounts, sometimes $100, $200 or more. They can cover free shipping, discounts on electronics, clothes and home gadgets, and sometimes even stacked together. To claim them, open the Temu app, log into your account and tap Coupons under your Profile tab. When it asks for a code, enter the one on screen or grab it from below. Now go back to your coupon wallet. You'll instantly see the new discount coupons appear. They'll apply automatically to your next order, no matter what you're buying. Just keep in mind, these codes change fast. Temu sometimes ends them early when too many people use them. That's why I always test new codes and keep the description updated with the ones still working right now. So before you check out on Temu, make sure to grab these coupon codes first. You could literally save hundreds just by typing one line. I've put the main code back on screen, plus bonus ones down below. Try them now before they expire. And if this video saved you some money, hit like, subscribe, and comment how much you saved.